Morning guys, April 10th, 2024. So here I got a call from a guy. I work for him a bunch of times over the years. I do his burner service, usually once a year. He calls me and go over there and give it the once over, make sure it's running okay and give some fine tuning. I work for these people over the years a bunch of times, so nice people. One of the best customers to have, you know, people that been working for a lot of years and no static. They're always right there with the payment, never an issue. The problem, you go take care of it for them. And that's what being in business is all about, trying to find good customers that you can build a business with, right? Anyway, we'll try to get some shots when I get over there. Go black. We'll probably lean it out a little bit. I got the burner off. Last year I was here, it was full of slime. A little bit. Not too bad. We'll change it anyway. There's some snots. Flipping slime in there. Bio slime. That eats the flipping metal out. See it? Bio slime from hell. Flipping shit. It wasn't in there last year. It eats the metal. It's almost like flipping. I don't know. Almost like it holds water or something. It's kind of gnarly. Like it pits the metal. I don't know. I don't know. Not good. That way. Shit's not supposed to be like that with oil. open this and bleed it out leave the air bleeder. Get the air out of it. See all the floaties in there. That's not good. Shouldn't have all them floaties in the oil. Bio slime. I don't know what the hell it is, but here we go. Oh, we're bled. Looks pretty clean in there. It's pretty gnarly there, see it? It's a little 75. We might give it a little bit more air. We'll look at it when we start it up. Sometimes you need, it's gets a little carbony and you gotta keep it clean. Carb cleaner, clean it right up.
Morning, Steve, how are you?
Alright, no work?
Oh, no, I'm retired. I retired last week.
Well, good for you.
Yeah.
Well, you're kind of young.
61, so that's good enough.
So what do you think about this retirement stuff?
I don't know yet. We'll see after a few months, you know?
61, I mean, yeah, I'm going to be 60 this year. It's kind of young.
Yeah.
I mean, if you could retire, you could always get a second job, right? I mean, pull the money out.
I just retired from my job. I didn't retire. I'm not collecting Social Security yet or anything like that, you know?
Right.
I'm just collecting some of the benefits that I
Yeah,
have.
you were a union guy, right? So, I mean, you probably had decent benefits and
Yeah, I got an annuity and a pension. And
all that
everything.
shit, right?
Yeah. So.
Should have seen the shit that come out of there. It's like, look at it's like bio slime. It was like watery shit that was in there. The filter didn't look bad, but in the bottom of the container gets all like this muck.
How can we get away from this biodiesel crap?
I don't think you can, because they're adding it to the fuel.
No
Years
kidding.
ago, the fuel was nice and clean.
Yeah.
It'll be like 6-7 years. I didn't change the filter. It was like diesel in a car. It was clean.
Right.
But now they added this biodiesel,
Yeah.
and it's almost like it holds moisture, and it gets like mucky in there.
Yeah.
Like slime.
Yeah.
And it eats the tanks, and it eats the bottom of the metal. Eats the metal out. Yeah, because it holds like water. It's weird. It's your flipping government for you.
Yeah.
You know.
I don't know why there's no one that sells.
I don't know. I think that they get a kickback on that. So they
It's all part of the Green New Deal, as they call it.
Well, I think if they sell biodiesel, they get 10% off or a bonus kickback, or you know how that works, right?
Yeah. Meanwhile, it just
you're sucking
we pay
wind.
for it.
Yeah.
Would you like a coffee or anything?
I'm all coffeeed out. I've been coffeeing it all morning here.
A water or something?
No, I'm good.
Good.
Yeah. So you got. It needed a service because it was a little. It just needed a cleaning. I'll give it a little bit more here.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a decent winter, so I'm sure it hasn't.
Well, I seen a little bit of black stuff happening up top there, but nothing crazy, you know.
Hello, Mr. Steve. How are you?
Good.
Good. All right, like we need work. Doesn't like to be bothered, right?
That's fine. You can bother me.
No, we only know you for a long time, so.
Yeah, give it a little bit more air. That's all.
If you need anything, Steve, we're upstairs, bud.
All right, man.
All right. Thank you.
Good. A little bit more air. It's a good douche. That type of head can be a little tricky to adjust the airflow. Because not only the airflow, but it goes around the head, because you could adjust the head back. So it can be a little tricky. Nothing we can't handle. Power venter. Alright, new filter at tank, new nozzle, reset draw assembly, good oil flow, good draft. Need some adjustments on it. You don't want to give it too much air because then it won't stop.